हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हैप्पी आर्ट्सी होम। कैसे हैं आप सब? तो थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने अपने चैनल पे अपना लिविंग रूम टूर डाला था। उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आए हैं टू नो अबाउट दिस सोफा। सो इस वीडियो में मैं वही बात करने वाली हूँ डिटेल में कि हमने कहाँ से कैसे ये सोफा बनवाया है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो before I talk to you guys, I have written few points here so that I can easily tell you point by point. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट जो था या जो होना चाहिए वो है आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स। तो बी वेरी क्लियर ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स। आप कपल हैं, आप सिंगल हैं, आप फैमिली हैं, उस हिसाब से अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को देखिए, लिखिए कहीं, सो दैट आप उस हिसाब से अपना सोफा चूज कर पाए। तो मैं हमारा एग्जांपल देती हूँ। तो हमें हमारा जो पॉइंट ऑफ द सोफा था, हमें बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल और लाउंज सोफा चाहिए था जहाँ पे हम बैठ के रिलैक्स कर पाए और रिलैक्सफुली टीवी देख पाए। तो हमारा सबसे पहला रिक्वायरमेंट वो था। तो एज सुन एज वी अंडरस्टूड दैट रिक्वायरमेंट, हमने बेस्ट ऑप्शन हमें लगा एल शेप्ड सोफा। तो हमारे दो चीजें टिक हो गई, दो रिक्वायरमेंट क्लियर हो गए। अब कमिंग बैक टू द थर्ड पॉइंट था हमारा कि हम 5 से 6 लोग आराम से बैठ के बात कर पाए, या whenever we are entertaining guests, आराम से 5 से 6 लोग बैठ पाए विदाउट एनी एडेड सीटिंग। सो दैट वाज आवर थर्ड पॉइंट। फोर्थ वाज द बजट। तो बजट को हमने लिखा कि हमें इतने ही बजट में चाहिए एंड वी वांट टू स्टिक टू दिस बजट बिकॉज इट कैन गो एनीवेयर, राइट? तो फोर्थ वाज बजट। फिफ्थ वॉज द कंफर्टेबल बिट ऑफ इट, कि हमें कुशनी सोफा चाहिए, फर्म नहीं चाहिए। हमारे रिसर्च में हमने देखा बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स अब फर्म सोफा बना रहे हैं, तो हमें वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए था एंड वी वर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट। सो ये हो गए हमारे 5 रिक्वायरमेंट्स। तो आप भी उसी तरह अपने रिक्वायरमेंट्स को क्लियर रखिए एंड उसी डायरेक्शन में अपना सोफा ढूंढिए। एक चीज जो मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी, और डिफरेंस बिटवीन सोफा एंड लाउंजर फ्रॉम माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज, तो लाउंजर पे आप लाउंजर यू जनरली कीप इट इन योर टीवी और लाउंज एरिया, जहां पे आप आपका बेसिकली आपका फैमिली रूम, जहां पे आपका फैमिली आराम से बैठ के चिल कर सकता है। वर्सेस सोफा यू कीप इट इन योर गेस्ट और लिविंग एरिया, जहां पे आप गेस्ट को एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं। सो ऑन सोफा यू हैव टू सिट up straight and you can talk easily, versus on this sofa for example I can just lounge easily, like it's basically to lounge, right? So ये एक point था जो मैं add करना चाहती थी। Now coming to my second thing that you have to do is your research. So हमारा research क्या क्या था मैं आपको बताती हूँ। तो सबसे पहले हमने ऑनलाइन चेक किया, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू कैन बाय ऑनलाइन दीज डेज, राइट? सो वी वेंट टू फ्लिपकार्ट, वी वेंट टू Amazon एंड एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन दैट इज अवेलेबल. One thing that we noticed is first we were not liking anything online, plus we were not able to tell the quality. And हम लोग सोफा एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट सोच रहे थे फॉर whatever 2, 3, 5 years, whatever your commitment to the sofa is. तो as an investment we wanted to physically feel, touch and see the sofa. So we rejected the online option completely for us. Then second option that we saw was Wakefit. So Wakefit as a brand, I have a mattress of them. I think as a brand they're doing great. तो मैंने Wakefit को online check किया सबसे पहले. The designs are really good. They're like good looking designs. Now we wanted to check it physically and they have experience center in Bangalore. तो हम लोग experience center गए. I will add the clips here. So when we reached the experience center, everything was looking great. So as we started trying, हमें एक सोफा पसंद था one L सोफा. I'll add the clip here. उस L सोफा पे हम जैसे बैठे, it was not to our liking in terms of comfort. So उसके बैक पे there were small cushions. With that the sitting was not as comfortable and without them also the sitting was not comfortable. So वो option गया. Then we tried their other sofas, other L sofas, but we were not liking them visually. Then we checked 3-seaters also, but we were not looking for a 3-seater. We were very clear about that. तो see, यहाँ पे आपका clear होना on what you need will definitely later on help you to actually choose the sofa, right? तो वेकफिट के बारे में मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूंगी, उनके सोफाज काफी सुंदर और काफी बजट में है. तो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बजट सोफा in 2 or 3 seating, I think you should definitely check out Wakefit. So that was our second thing. Then I checked Deskit. So Deskit का मुझे Instagram पे बहुत ad दिखा रहा था and the sofas were really good looking. So मैंने Google किया, सर्च किया, मुझे पता चला कि उनका एक एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर है यहाँ बैंगलोर में. मैंने कॉल किया एंड दे सेड या यू कैन विजिट एनी टाइम. एंड आई वेंट टू द एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर. इट वाज क्वाइट फार आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर. And once I reached, it was all empty. It was like an emptied warehouse. If I have the clip, I'll add it somewhere. But it was like an emptied warehouse. One of my friend has bought a sofa from there, and I liked that sofa. That's why I was considering Deskit. But when we went to the experience center or whatever warehouse it was, our experience wasn't great, so we dropped that brand as well. Then coming to the third brand, which is Pepperfry. So Pepperfry, again we checked online once to see what sofas are we liking. Then we went to the nearest store. Nearest store had one L sofa. The cushioning was great. I think the fabric was also comfortable, but their sofa was out of our budget, so we dropped the idea. But if I think you have a budget which is around 80 to 90,000, you can definitely check out Pepperfry. For other brands, so I checked West Elm, I don't know for what reason, and their sofas are beautiful looking. Like they're beautiful, and that's what my visual reference of a sofa was. But the prices are 2 to 3 lakhs. Obviously, that is something I don't want to invest in a sofa. So coming back to my last option, local market. So in Bangalore, there's this market Shivaji Nagar, and in that market, there's a area where you have where they have furniture shops. I think Infantry Road पे है. एक लाइन में बहुत सारे furniture shops हैं, तो we went there. We checked all the stores. We checked most of the stores which had sofas or look like big sofas in their store. So most of them, we didn't like the design. So most of them had like very traditional, not traditional, they had recliner looking. Like they had sofas that were not to our taste. But we checked the quality. So we chose a shop whose quality was good. The sofas were sturdy, the cushions were comfortable, and the fabric was good. So we chose a shop on that basis. Then हमने उसको एक reference दिखाया. I'll add our references here. I have some mood boards also how I wanted this living room to look like. It's not yet looking like that. It's still in making for me. But yeah, sofa I was clear on. तो मैंने उसको references दिखाए और उन्होंने बोला yes, he can make that sofa, and we got really happy, and he was making it in our budget also. So shop decided, sofa shape decided. Now coming back to the next step, which is our measurement, fabric, and the technical part of the sofa. So we and the sofa guy sat together and we made a drawing. If I have that drawing, I'll add it here, of the size of the sofa. So हमको पता था कि we want a 9 feet total in 9 feet sofa. So this sofa is actually more than 9 feet. This is 9.5 feet. This seating is 6.5 feet, and the lounger, the L lounger is 3.5 feet. So in total 9.5 feet. And we wanted a depth where someone can sit आराम से पैर ऊपर करके. Then we wanted this cushion came from the references that we had. So that all we decided कि ये depth होगा, ये width होगा, on a drawing on a paper. We checked it, we clicked it ki yeah, this is working for us. Now second thing was the fabric. So he showed us the fabrics, and the most comfortable fabric was the velvet fabric, right? Velvet is generally very comfortable to feel, right? Like to touch. So that was our fabric choice. Now fabric color. Okay, so we were looking for a gray sofa in the first place. We were looking for a charcoal gray sofa, but that shop didn't have the perfect gray that we were looking for. उसके पास या तो darker gray था या फिर lighter gray था, and we were not looking for a black looking gray और लाइट कलर बिकॉज वो बहुत जल्दी गंदे हो जाते हैं. सो वी लाइक दिस कलर विच इज फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन. आई थिंक वी डिड अ रियली fabulous job in choosing this color because it looks really good now. Our main motive to choose gray was because it's a neutral color and I can change the decor anytime, anyhow, you know, like it can be a pop color, it can be a neutral, so you can do a lot with neutral. So that was my point to go for a neutral color. But yes, we settled for this forest green velvet fabric. And I shared some references with him on WhatsApp. So वो हो गया. Now our sofa is in making, right? Coming to the last point, which is delivery. So he gave us the delivery in 10 days, which is I think a great time for a sofa delivery, because even Wakefit said they will take 20 to 25 days. So his 10 days, actually initially he said 1 week, but he delayed for 3 to 4 days, but that's okay. So overall it was 10 days delivery. And we went to the shop once the sofa was made to check overall how, if it is what we showed him, right? We checked the sofa and we liked it, and then the point was to deliver it to our home. The delivery charges were not included, so we had to pay extra delivery charges, but the delivery guy was his, so he knew the delivery guy. Quickly called him and they delivered our sofa in no time. So yeah, that was it. So lastly, I think I have not spoken about the budget that we had for our sofa. So our budget was 30 to 40,000. Mine was 30, his was 40. So and the guy said he can do it in 35,000. We didn't bargain at all because we didn't want to go down on the quality. So this sofa we got for 35,000. In that, because I was looking to bargain till 30,000, what I did was I asked him to add 2 poofs with it, or 2 ottomans with it, which are in like contrasting pink color, you'll see. So in 35,000 I got this great L-shaped sofa with 2 poofs. And yeah, I think that's about it about the detail of this sofa. Now I'll show you how it looks in my living room, so enjoy. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आपको इससे कुछ हेल्प मिली होगी अपना सोफा खरीदने के लिए. अगर आपको ये कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. आई कीप कमिंग अप विद सच वीडियोज एवरी वीक. अब मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.